Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find app and game responses list on your Google Play Store. So all you have to do is to just go up here, you click on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for your list like this, and all you have to do now, so just click here on settings here, then it's going to check here in this window, and all you have to do now, so just go up here, you click here on general here on app, then it's going to check here in this window, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on Google Play Store feedback here, then it's going to check here in this window, then you just come here to minute survey responses, you would click here, and it's going to check here in this window, you just click here on manage app and game responses, and here in this window you'll find all app and game responses here in this window. So I have nothing yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this window. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.